Question 5 was to solve these two simultaneous equations. So they're simultaneous equations because we've got two equations and two unknowns. The easiest way to do this is the way we do the quadratics, where we do a substitution. So if we know that y equals x minus 2, instead of y here, let's write that as x minus 2. X minus 2 equals 3 over 2. So all I've done is I've changed that y to x minus 2 using that second equation. So now I've only got one unknown that I want to solve. So I've spotted that this is base 2 and this is base 4. I need to make them both base 2. They need to be the same. So if I change this to base 2 using the change of base rule, I'm going to do log to the base 2 of x divided by log to the base 2 of 4 plus a half log to the base 2 of x minus 2 equals 3 over 2. Now this bit on the bottom here, log to the base 2 of 4, that's just asking us 2 to the power of what number gives you 4. So that's clearly going to be the number 2. So if I do log to the base 2 of x divided by 2, dividing by 2 is the same as a half of something, isn't it? So let's write that as log, half log to the base 2x plus a half log to the base 2 x minus 2 equals 3 over 2. Now, I don't like all of these halves, so let's just times everything by 2 to get rid of them. So log to the base 2 of x plus log to the base 2 of x minus 2 equals, times that by 2, I get 3. If we add logs, I can group those then together into one log by timesing these two. So it's log of x times x minus 2, sorry, log to the base 2 of that equals 3. And then all I have to do is rewrite that as a power without the log. So I know that this could rewrite as 2 to the power of 3 equals this, x times x minus 2. So if I multiply out, 2 to the power of 3, 2 cubed is 8, equals x squared minus 2x. And if we've got a quadratic to solve, I'm going to have x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. And I can solve that by simply factorising. So if I factorise that, two numbers that multiply to give minus 8 and add to give minus 2 are 2 and minus 4. So either x equals minus 2 or x equals 4. Because these were simultaneous equations, we need to, we look back up at these, we need to also find y. Now I would use this one to find y. You're told that y is equal to x minus 2. So the y value is equal to x minus 2 is what we're told in the question. So if x is minus 2, y will be minus 2, take 2, minus 4. If x is 4, y will be 4 take away 2, which is 2. So those are my two sets of solutions for that question.